Hey guys, welcome to Modern Autobody. We are a certified collision center for Mercedes, BMW, Porsche, Land Rover, Jaguar. Today, we'll be going through the process of what happens to a vehicle after it's involved in an accident. So typically a vehicle will arrive like this at the repair shop, and then our job is to bring it back so it looks brand new again. This vehicle, it came in, the trunk lid was damaged, and we did find damage behind the bumper, which is the back panel right here. So our technician's gone ahead and replaced the back panel according to OEM procedures and replaced the trunk lid as well. And now it is ready for the prep department. We are standing in a prep booth right now where there was damage to the quarter panel right here. And our technicians already gone ahead, sanded it down, fixed the damage and primed the area. In order for us to fix this damage, we do have to paint the whole side aperture on this vehicle. This vehicle has been sanded down, prepped for paint, and it's being masked for our painter to paint the vehicle. After the vehicle has been prepped and masked for paint, it would come into one of our paint booths. One of our painters is painting a tri-coat color on a Mercedes part. So you can see him, he's applying the base coat on the vehicle right now. This is a controlled environment. It has to be done with the doors closed and the air being circulated every 7 minutes or so. So this vehicle has been painted already in our paint booth, and now it's back in the body department where it will get reassembled. Once it's reassembled, it'll head to our detail department. So this hood right here has been painted. So right now they've sanded down wherever there was a little speck of dust that may have landed in the paint while it was painting. Our environment's very well controlled, but again, we may get a speck of dust or anything in the paint.